way we're going to attract the leprechauns is creating our own rainbow. And what we're going to use is a white piece of paper. You could have a white countertop or a white floor. We're going to use a clear glass of water and a light source. In our case, we're using a mobile phone. If it's sunny out, you can use that, or if you have a flashlight. And we're going to use the dispersion of light to create a rainbow. And very simply, you're just going to shine the light source from one side through the glass of water, and you'll see a rainbow form on the other side. Because what's happening is when the light passes through the glass and the water, it bends. This is known as refraction. So different properties causes the light to bend differently. This is why there's a refractive index. And each wavelength, which corresponds to the color, bends differently. So you'll see certain colors that bend sharply and others that bend less sharp. And so you'll form a rainbow and you'll see certain colors that are on top of the rainbow and others that are on the bottom part of the rainbow. So which colors tend to be on the top and which ones tend to be on the bottom?